Good morning, afternoon everyone. Welcome to a journey through neuroscience breakthroughs. Neuroscience is a captivating field, providing great opportunity to make drastic progress in comprehension of the human brain. In the upcoming slides, we will investigate some of the newest breakthroughs in neuroscience as we commence this voyage. As we embark on this journey through neuroscience breakthroughs, it is important to remember the complexity and dynamism of the brain. Neuroscience is a field that is constantly updating and uncovering new information as technology advances. During this exploration, we will take a look at the history of neuroscience, the different branches, and the various methods used to study the brain. We will examine the exciting discoveries made in the field, discuss the potential of breakthroughs in the future, and explore the implications for health and medicine. Join us as we explore the world of neuroscience. As we embark on our exploration into neuroscience, we will uncover the hidden and complex world of the brain. Our journey will take us through the history of neuroscience and across the different branches of this multidisciplinary science. We will discover the fascinating methods used to study the brain, explore the exciting breakthroughs made in the field, and uncover the potential for future discovery. We will delve into the implications of neuroscience for health and medicine. Join us on this captivating journey into the world of neuroscience. Exploring neuroscience and the advancements made in this field, neuroscience studies the structure and function of the brain and nervous system, giving insights into how the brain functions and how we can better comprehend, identify, and treat diseases and disorders of the brain. Examining the neurons and their links, we can gain a better comprehension of how the brain processes information in both healthy and unhealthy states. We are close to some tremendous breakthroughs that will alter the way the brain and the treatments for brain disorders are perceived. Neuroscience is a field of study that delves into the behavior and functioning of the nervous system. It has led to discoveries in how neurons and synapses pass on information and how it influences our actions and behavior. Technology has enabled greater exploration of neuroscience, bringing to light the intricate and remarkable functions of the human brain. We are currently exploring the advances made in neuroscience that have helped develop an understanding of cognition. Cognition is the combination of mental activities that allow us to gain, manipulate, store, and make use of information. This involves intricate links between various brain elements and networks. It has been uncovered that such capacities as perception, attention, memory, and communication are all significant cognitive processes. These processes enable us to take in our environment, concentrate on pertinent stimuli, retain and recall information, and converse. Neuroscience has advanced in comprehending the manner in which the brain works and how our cognition operates. Our perception of the world is shaped by the intricate interaction between our senses, the brain, and our past experiences. Now let us delve into the steps of product development, from idea generation to market testing, in order to gain a greater comprehension on how products are formed. Scientists have been attempting to comprehend the enigmas of the brain and how it forms our experience of reality for centuries. However, it's only recently that the neuroscience advances of the past decade have started to enable us to really start understanding the intricate mechanics of the brain. What has been uncovered is that attention has a significant role in how we recognize and remember things. Attention allows us to clarify and zero in on certain stimuli, while disregarding others. It also enables us to disperse our attention and center on multiple stimuli all at once. Realizing how attention works can help us comprehend how our brains process and remember data. Advances in neuroscience have drastically changed the comprehension of memory and its purpose. Unraveling the neural mechanisms relating to memory, such as the hippocampus and other brain regions, brings a greater appreciation of how memories are formed and altered. Additionally, interventions have been developed to enhance memory and even generate new memories. We are now in a position to have more insight and control concerning memory than ever before. The capacity for language is one of the most remarkable features of the human brain. It's a complex process that involves multiple brain regions working together in order to make sense of the words and sounds that we hear. Our brains must process the individual components of the language, such as the individual sounds of each word, combine them into meaningful units to form a sentence, and then store the meaning in our memory. What's fascinating is that our understanding of language is not only based on the words themselves, but also on our past experiences and expectations. This means that language processing can vary depending on the context. Truly, the power of language is an incredible thing. Though our brains may become less plastic as we age, experiences we have can play an important role in shaping neuroplasticity. Activities which are new and challenging can help to promote neuroplasticity and keep the brain healthy. Experiences that are highly emotional or rewarding have a stronger impact on neuroplasticity than those that are neutral or negative. Additionally, the timing and duration of an experience can also affect neuroplasticity. Knowing these factors and understanding how our brains can change can help us make the most of our learning potential. Our brains undergo a tremendous transformation from infancy to adulthood, due to a blend of genes and environmental influences. During early years, the brain is especially receptive and amenable to outside factors. Thus, children exposed to language may demonstrate advanced language abilities when they become older. Even as we age, our brains keep growing and reacting to our experiences. Whether it be playing sports or learning a musical instrument, our brains transform as we engage with these activities. Additionally, being exposed to distress and trauma can have a damaging effect on brain development. Neuroscience advancements frequently bring astonishing discoveries about the power of the brain. In recent years, there have been major strides in the understanding, diagnosis, and treatment of neurological disorders. Imaging technologies, such as MRI and CT scans, have enabled doctors to diagnose these conditions more effectively and accurately. Furthermore, treatments, including medications and surgery, have been developed to help better manage and treat these disorders, allowing people to improve their quality of life. These advances in neuroscience have had a tremendous impact on patients dealing with neurological disorders, allowing them to live longer and healthier lives. Neuroscience has become a major area of scientific research, yielding exciting new information about the human brain. Optogenetics, which permits researchers to manipulate neurons using light, and the discovery of new brain areas involved in cognition, emotion, and behavior, are two remarkable achievements. These achievements are providing us with a better knowledge of how the brain works and aiding in the design of new treatments for neurological conditions. As centuries pass, neuroscience remains a field of study cloaked in intricacies and challenging to uncover. Nevertheless, modern advances in the field are giving us unprecedented insight into the human brain. A cornerstone of this advancement is neuroethics, which concentrates on understanding the ethical consequences of neuroscience research. This comprises topics such as using animal subjects for research and the potential misuse of data taken from the brain. As we keep making headway in neuroscience, it is crucial to consider the ethical implications of this research and set up suitable rules for its utilization. As we progress through the world of neuroscience developments, the potential implications for society are immeasurable. From creating more successful treatments for neurological problems to designing brain-computer interfaces that can revolutionize our relationship with technology, neuroscience research can reinvent our lives in ways that were not possible before. By delving further into the intricate inner workings of the brain, we open up to the potential of unimaginable prospects. It's truly incredible to think of what potential lies ahead for the field of neuroscience as we come to the end of our journey through neuroscience breakthroughs. From the potential for brain implants that can restore lost abilities to the development of artificial intelligence that mimics the human brain, the future is full of possibilities. Continuing to stay curious and inspired will help us explore what neuroscience can offer.